welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 69 Mustang, M code 351 under the hood. Absolutely beautiful. Bottom side of this car is gorgeous, and take a look at the top. Slick paint on this baby, blacked out hood, hood scoop, hood pins. She's a beauty. The restoration on this car is over the top. You can see that it's got new chrome here. All the bright work here is looking sweet. And I tell you what, that green paint is laid on there slick as can be. She is absolutely gorgeous. The car's got an awesome stance also. Got some Magnum 500 wheels on there with some BFGs wrapped around. We got the Mach I stripe going down the side. And wait till you see the interior on this puppy. She is gorgeous inside and out. All stock appearing in here. Also, it's got the fold down back seat. It's got the rim blow horn. Center console with that automatic shifter in there looking good. Dash pad itself also looking good. All the gauges, that wood grain looking beautiful. This is one amazing car right here, guys. And of course there is a back seat in there. This just folds right up. You can see those back seats back there. You can see the seat belt in there so you can strap everybody in. Gorgeous machine. Now I always look at the door jambs. You can check out how beautiful those door jambs are. Anybody that spends that much time on a door jamb, you know they did a beautiful job on the rest of the car. You see down that quarter looking good. All the chrome out back here is looking good. Tail light lens is looking great. Fuel fill right here in the back. All the chrome on it's looking good. Now that may be the original chrome on there. See inside the trunk how nice and clean everything is. And look at this BFGoodrich right here, baby. That may be the original tire that came in this car. It's got the jack and the lug wrench in there. The paint on the bottom side of the deck lid's looking good. The paint here in the gutter system around the openings all looking good. And look down that passenger side. You want to talk about straight? She's a beauty. Now we own this car. We don't do consignment. Every one of the cars here at Vanguard are owned by Vanguard, so you know we did our homework before we bought it. The first thing that happens to every car here at Vanguard is they go up on the lift so we can inspect them and take pictures and do our video of the bottom side. We're one of the only companies out there that puts every car on the lift so you can check out the bottom. That's the most important part of the car. Now, you can check us out on our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You're watching us on YouTube right now, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and click that little bell button, and you'll get a notification every time we get a cool car in. All right, we're in the Mustang now, and we're not going to drive it today, but we will drive it when it's not so nasty outside. Right now, the roads are all wet. It's not cold, nasty, so we're not going to take this beauty out in that. As you can see here on the dash, everything looks sweet. It looks just like it did back in 1969. It's a beautiful dash. The gauge faces all look good. The lenses look good. You can see the finish on the steering wheel looks good. And I got to turn a key on here. Go show them the hood scoop there. Look at my turn signals out there on the hood scoop. Isn't that sweet? I love that. Hey guys, we can deliver this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. And don't forget, Tom answers his phone 7 days a week, so call him anytime. We can also help you out with financing. We're close to the airport if you need to fly in and check it out in person. We do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen, so no worries there. If you want to send an inspector, no problem there. And now we're about to do something that nobody does to every one of their cars in inventory. At Vanguard, every car goes on the lift. We check out the bottom, we take pictures, and we're going to show you the video. So stick with us. We're going in the air right now. All right, we're underneath the Mustang now, and man, it is pretty under here. You can see it's got brand new exhaust pipes. The spring packs also look like they've been restored. The 9-inch Ford housing here is all painted up, looking good. The brake lines look like they're new. The shocks look fairly new. We got a 3.0 gear in the center section here. This is a 9-inch. Oh, I just hit my head on the lift. That was fun. You can see it's got stock appearing mufflers here too. So it's not very loud. Personally, I'd put some loud mufflers on this thing. I like making noise. You can see the floorboards are all painted up, looking good. The frame members here also looking sweet. Now, most of the time, these are all crushed from 1,000 floor jacks. These are looking sweet. You can see the fuel lines, it's new. The brake line going front to back is new. We got the FMX Numbers Matching trans in here. It's got the stock exhaust manifolds, looks like a stock appearing starter. We do have disc brakes up front. We do have drums in the back, and the guys pull those apart, make sure they're in good working order. You can see nice paint on the bottom side of the motor here. Bottom side of the radiator's nice and clean. Radius arm bushings look like they're new. The valance is nice paint right down to the bottom edge. Tires look like they're brand new. I still see nubs on them. And we got two 60 15s on some good looking Magnums. I always check the back side to the front fenders. Bottom edge here is nice and sharp, looks good. Pinch weld looks good. Bottom side of the rockers also nicely painted. You can see the torque box back here, also nice and clean. Out back here, we've got two 60 15s here. And you can see the pinch weld right down to the bottom on the quarter, looking sweet. Well, let's get under the hood and see what's making the horsepower. All right, under the hood here, we got a date code correct 351. All the numbers match up to be definitely possible that this is the original motor. We got, looks like a brand new rebuilt alternator down there. It's got a late model AC pump mounted into the stock location, so that looks sweet. We got some nice looking aluminum valve covers on here. We got a 670 Holley carb on this baby. It looks like it's vacuum secondaries. It's got electric choke. It's a dual feed. We got a gauge here for the fuel pressure, which is cool. The buck tag is still right here where it belongs. Firewall's nicely painted. All the wiring's looking good. We've got power brake booster there, so we do have power brakes, and it looks like we got a power steering pump there too, so we do have power steering. Radiator's in good shape here. Everything up here, it's even got auto light right on the hoses. Guys, this is one sweet automobile. We do have electronics put into the stock appearing distributor, so that's all been upgraded. Then we got our Ford flame job there under the hood, looking sweet. This is one beautiful car, guys. She's a 69, she's a 351. You're gonna love it. Give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.